SES AI's 2025 results are out. Let's see how it's been doing and what that means going further into 2026 and beyond. For starters, revenue came in at $21 million, consistent with prior guidance and representing a tenfold increase from $2 million in 2024. Fourth quarter revenue rose 124% year over year to $4.6 million, marking its first sustained period of meaningful commercial scale. For 2026, SES AI expects revenue to grow further to between $30 million and $35 million, with contributions anticipated from all three revenue-generating business units: energy storage systems, drones, and advanced materials. Although it reported a GAAP net loss of $73 million for 2025 compared with $100.2 million in 2024, losses narrowed significantly on both GAAP and non-GAAP bases during the fourth quarter. Non-GAAP operating expenses declined 44% year over year in Q4 to $13.5 million. It also ended 2025 with a strong liquidity position of approximately $200 million, which management believes provides sufficient runway into 2028 while supporting its capital-efficient, CapEx-light growth strategy. Founder and CEO Dr. Qichao Hu described 2025 as a year of strategic transformation driven by the launch and scaling of Molecular Universe, SES AI's AI4 science platform designed to accelerate materials discovery and battery development. Using the latest version of the platform, SES identified 6 materials breakthroughs now being tested by more than 40 customers across electric vehicles, drones, energy storage systems, and consumer electronics. Through a joint venture with Hisun, which brings 150,000 tons of annual global production capacity, SES AI expects to commercialize these materials at scale, linking AI discovery directly to industrial manufacturing. SES also reorganized into 3 focused business units centered on revenue generation. In drones, it plans to convert manufacturing capacity at its Cheongju, South Korea facility from EV cell formats to drone cells, citing strong demand for high-energy density lithium metal and lithium-ion batteries. It is also exploring additional Southeast Asia capacity to meet growth needs and comply with U.S. National Defense Authorization Act requirements. In energy storage systems, the acquisition of UZ Energy strengthens SES's ability to offer integrated hardware and software solutions that predict battery health and reduce maintenance costs. Then, despite a fourth quarter revenue shortfall tied to logistical constraints that shifted approximately $1.5 million into early 2026, management's outlook for 2026 centers on scaling revenue across ESS, drones, and materials while leveraging Molecular Universe as a differentiated AI asset. They're really going in on Molecular Universe, calling the platform's growing scientific dataset and predictive capability increasingly valuable in chemistry and materials science, giving SES an edge in the battery business. Sorta like the edge from TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.